Hello guys, it's Flight Matt here and welcome on today's flight. Today we are going to make an approach, RNP approach to runway 24 in Prague, exactly Prague-Ruzyne in Czech Republic. Here we go, that's the airport layout from the above. Okay, there are some clouds already. So let's have a look firstly on the chart. We will be approaching RATEV point, which is initial approach fix at 4,000 feet. Then we need to continue here to Papa Romeo 530. Then there is another fix, Papa Romeo 532, intermediate fix, and at which point Papa Romeo 24 Foxtrot, which is 8.7 miles to runway 24. We will commence our descent to our decision altitude, which is in this case 1358, around 200 feet above ground. So after, let's say, we will initiate a missed approach procedure, we need to fly straight ahead on heading 241 to 4,000 feet, and then at distance from VR Oscar Kilo Lima, around 10 miles, we need to turn to the right to VR and climb to 5,000 feet. I'm not sure if we're gonna make the misapproach procedure, and then I'll need to change some settings with the clouds. Okay, let's continue here. We are currently at runway 24. Ooh, that was a small crash into the ground. Easier to just press number 5 button. Okay, so let's go back to the flight deck. We know how the procedure looks like right now, so we can put our flight plan quickly. Lima Kilo Papa Romeo, and we'll put the arrival point. Quickly arrival to runway 24. Sorry, let's clear it. No, we cannot. Departure, arrival. Arrival. There are a few options. VR to runway 1230 ILS, of course, NDB, and RNAV 24 today. Here we go. Execute, and let's go from point transition at RATEV point and execute. This is set. Our decision altitude, as we said before, was this, let's say 200 feet above ground. Radio altimeter. There you go. That one is set as well. QNH is set. And okay, so I'm gonna take off, and we'll see you in just before RATEV point. Okay guys, so I do have around 3.3 miles to point RATEV right now at 4,000 feet. Let's put heading on the nose. Actually we are under the clouds, so let's continue like this. We are going to see, of course, the runway, so there is no problems today with minimums. But I think next time ILS will be with the decision altitude, so let's see. 1.3 miles, let's slow down a little bit. Heading 062. Here we go. I will slow down a little bit more so we can make those turns more precisely. Because they are really tight turns, 90 degrees angle, so you see how it looks like. And here we go. Nice pinkish color inside the cabin. Some issue. I know you can change the CFG file, but I can't be bothered to change it. There's always some issue with this sim after all those updates. Okay, so we can put, maybe not yet. I'll put some more power. That was too much. We can press right now the approach button. And over here you can see approach LNAV 1. So the plane should capture the final track and will start descent by itself. We can see right now here this magenta diamond will be going down as we'll be approaching the runway. It's our glide path. And here on the chart we can see what we're gonna do. And so shortly there will be next turn to the left, 5 miles long, and we will reach our point. Nice sky, of course, and beautiful scenery. So we can get configure slowly. And the distance we can see runway 24 in Prague. Let's slow down a little bit more. F7 was flaps 15. I'll check the map one more time. Okay, it's gone. Let me put it here quickly. Approach and ILS, sorry, RNP 24. So, landing gear down. Here we go, landing gear down, 3 green. Right now, here. And flaps full. And we are starting our descent. So let's keep around 120 knots, we'll be fine. And let me just put it a little bit bigger for you guys, so you can see what's going on exactly without me to zoom in. Here we go, the magenta diamond is getting closer and closer, so we are leaving our altitude. Of course, heading on the nose, 241 after missed approach, yeah, right now here. We should of course use the VOR frequency as well, which was 112.6, so we can see the distance. 112.6. I should actually do it before. Let me try to set it up quickly here. Bearing source. Not that one here. There you go. Bearing source, and we want to have VOR 1 in this case, and we'll see the distance. Okay. So that's done. We have 7 miles to VOR. Oscar Kilo Lima confirmed. And Oscar Kilo Lima here as well. The VOR we're going to use only in case of missed approach, so for now we don't bother with this. So let's see how it's gonna be. I'm just checking if our brakes are off. Yeah, they were off. Sometimes I'm just accidentally pressed the button. That was on. Okay, now it's off. Cool. confirm. Let's put the seatbelt sign on quickly.
May I have your attention, please? At this time, please comply with the illuminated seatbelt and no smoking signs. Thank you.
I just noticed that the flaps were not at the full position, so now it's okay. That's why the plane was not slowing down. So the runway is 3 miles away and the VR is 4.2. Okay, now I can see the puppy. Perfect. We are on the glide path. ,800 feet. A little bit above, but yeah, from here we can follow the puppy lights. We don't have to bother with terrain. Okay, nice announcement. We can continue manually. So let's disconnect the autopilot and I'll follow the puppy lights. 600 feet. And we are clear to land. ,200 approaching minimums. Minimums, okay, continue. Okay, main landing gear is on. Nose wheel, here we go. And guys, this is how you make the RNP approach to Prague. Let's brake a little bit more so we can vacate here easily. So the next one we are going to make the ILS. Let's see how to make it and how to prepare. And see you guys on the next one.